In this video, you'll see an overview of how your documents are managed and stored in TaxDome. TaxDome is a centralized hub for securely storing, managing, and sharing documents with tax, accounting, and bookkeeping clients. Keep your files organized and accessible in one convenient place, which also includes e-signatures, a client portal, and CRM. In TaxDome, every document is connected to a specific client account. All documents must be stored within a client's profile, ensuring clear organization and easy access to client-specific information. There are two primary ways to access documents in TaxDome. First, navigate to Clients and Accounts to see a specific client's profile by selecting their account and clicking the Documents tab. Each client account features 6 specialized tabs designed to streamline document management. Let's examine some of them. The main Documents tab is the primary storage location for all client files. Here you'll find firm-uploaded and client-uploaded documents organized in your preferred folder structure. For situations where clients need to upload documents but cannot access the portal, the File Requests tab provides secure temporary upload links. This feature ensures secure document transfer even without full portal access. The Trash tab retains deleted documents for 120 days, allowing you to restore accidentally deleted files during this period. After 120 days, documents are permanently removed from the system. You can use the Global Documents section from the sidebar menu to manage documents across multiple client accounts. This approach is incredibly efficient when handling documents for several clients in succession. Here you'll find 3 tabs. Recent shows recently accessed documents. Docs displays all documents organized by client account, and Trash contains deleted documents. Remember that documents are labeled New when no firm members have viewed client-uploaded files. The label disappears once the files are viewed or downloaded. Inside the Docs section of each client account, you can create top-level folders with different access levels. You can add subfolders within each folder, or by using folder templates. Documents inside subfolders have the same access level as the top-level folder. Visibility icons help identify the access level of each folder and document inside it. Before completing any upload, always verify the access level you've selected to ensure appropriate client visibility.